The purpose of the Your Turn component is to provide students an opportunity to apply their new understanding of the unit focus concepts in context. It's used to monitor student learning and make instructional decisions regarding the need for interventions or reinforcement for individual students or the large group. Students work independently to complete a task similar in format to the one practiced during Try It Together. In this example, students use their understanding of composing informational text to create a new piece. And during this editing example, students experience the same format shown during the Try It Together component to show their understanding. Using ThinkUp Writing as a supplement to the ThinkUp ELAR booklet is simple. Consider this scenario. You're planning for instruction using Unit 3 of ThinkUp ELAR Level 4. The writing, revising, and editing TEKS focus is 4.11D1. Here's step 1. Before using the content in ThinkUp ELAR, go to the table of contents of ThinkUp Writing Level 4 and locate the editing unit that addresses this student expectation. It's Unit 11. Step 2. For instruction over multiple days, use Unit 11 of ThinkUp Writing to deeply instruct students for these particular student expectations. Use the writer tips as direct instruction, Try It Together as guided practice, and Your Turn as independent practice. In Step 3, you'll finally return students to Unit 3 of ThinkUp ELAR and use the writing, revising, and editing assessment to assess students' understanding of the student expectations. At the close of the unit, students take time again to reflect on their learning and their use of critical thinking to culminate their learning experience. Students reflect both on the learning they've achieved as well as the ways critical thinking practice is helping them reach new levels of understanding. There's also a reflection section for you to evaluate what worked during the journey and what concepts may need to be revisited. Notice in this unit, you're asked to evaluate successful activities, student success, future opportunities, and potential improvements.